Myself, Dr. Himanshu Sharma, on the behalf of Team Physio Inculcator, I would like to welcome you all in our today's session. This would be taken over on the topic Advanced Geriatric Care. So, this topic would be taken by our today's resource person, Dr. Jakpreet Singh Sir. Dr. Jakpreet Singh Sir is Head of Department at Mansarovar Global University as well as in the Bhopal Care Hospital. Sir has done fellowship in the geriatric medicine from the Aston University. Sir is having, uh, Sir is a CEO of Maitri Patient Parent Care, an organization which is specifically working for the caring of elder women, elder ones. So even they are emphasizing on the geriatric care, geriatric rehabilitation. So I would like to welcome you, sir, on on the board that you have spared your time to share your precious knowledge with us. And definitely today we'll have a lots of learning and a different aspect of a learning. So welcome you, sir. Welcome you here in the today's session. Again, I would like to welcome
Thank
to the
you.
all dignitaries who has joined us in our today's session. As we already blessed to have all the senior faculty members and academicians here with us. So in the series, we have here Kalpana ma'am, Jitendra sir, my own teachers, Jaswinder sir, Harsh sir, Charu ma'am, Ritu ma'am, and our upcoming resource person, Dr. Ankur Agarwal sir. So I would like to welcome you all, Dr. Amita Anup Sharma, and hopefully we would also join two more faculties from Jamia Hamdard. So thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much to you all that you have joined us. Welcome to all the participants who are regularly joining us and who has faith that we can create some learning via this platform. Thanks to you all. Again, welcome to you, sir, Jagdish sir. And we are really grateful to you that you spared the time. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Himanshu, for giving such a wonderful introduction of mine. I don't know well I deserve this or not,
No, no, sir, you
but
100%.
I would like to mention one name here which I'll not forget. Dr. Harsh Rajiv sir. So thank you for introducing me to virtually to the quota, and I'm glad, sir. And without much of a time, I'll start with my presentation. If you allow, please, Harsh sir.
Yes, sir. Please carry on, sir.
Thank you, sir. Uh,
Thank you.
so, hello everyone. I'm Dr. Jakpreet Singh. I have been working with geriatric care for a long time, and I would welcome all the senior faculties who are joined here. Uh, Thank you so much for the joining. My topic is advanced geriatric care, an effort integrating physiotherapy with the technology. Now, when I'm talking about geriatric care is a very different aspect from the care what we are giving to the younger patients. We, as a geriatric physiotherapist, has to deal with many of these problems at a one time. When I'm talking about geriatrics, I'll mention about aging. We have to be very sure that aging is something which will be our part. No human being can be escaped from aging. Aging is not a disease, it is a natural condition which needed to be nurtured and advanced. When I'm talking about geriatric physiotherapy involves two things: prevention along with treatment, accommodation along with restoration. What I mean here is prevention means we will prevent from the further diseases, from the further injuries, and treatment जो अभी तक हो चुका है उसका treatment. Accommodation, accommodation, the environment. See, every geriatric person has his limitations, so we will, under that limitation, we'll accommodate and we'll restore those conditions. Now, when we are talking about geriatric, here is a survey. There is a demographic changes in the population. In the upcoming years, you will see a large number of geriatric patients coming up. So we as a physiotherapist has a very good chance to work on a geriatric field. And being a geriatric physiotherapist, you can achieve much more in a geriatric physiotherapy. I have been working. I know कि geriatric physiotherapy take a lot of efforts, but it gives a very good result. And you, as a geriatric physiotherapist, when you work with it, you will get to know that there are a lot of things that you can work and you can have a research. R&D is always there in every field, not just the geriatric field, in every field. So you can work in a geriatric field. Now, this is a survey where you can see in upcoming years, there will be a lot of geriatric patients. There will be a lot of old age dependency population, which we will have to take care of. Now, when I'm talking about why geriatric physiotherapist, yeah, what I say is why us. This is I say why us. See, these are the if you can see in the screen, these are the some of the common conditions which geriatric patient or geriatric person has to face or may has to face when he is 65 plus. Now, why I saying us? A neuro physician will work with a neuro condition. An ortho surgeon will work with the ortho condition. A gastrologist will work with a gastro condition. But what is common? What is common in this geriatric problem is physiotherapy and its rehabilitation. We all know in our life we have dealt with ortho also, we have dealt with neuro cases also, we have dealt with other gastro cases also. But what as a geriatric physiotherapist you has to or you may have to work with all these conditions, because when a person is in a depression, he certain disease at the same time. He is arthritic person, hypertension. He may see he may be a patient of Alzheimer's dementia, or he have some of diseases. So you have to deal with all those things at a single time. Now there is a fact, there is a myth that a certain a certain disease and diabetes are a part of.
Hello. Hello, Jakpreet sir. Hello. I think there might be some connectivity issue on the Jakpreet sir side. So please be patient. We are trying to reconnect the sir. Please be patient. We are just trying to reconnect with the sir. I think there is some connectivity issue with Jakpreet sir. They are now more connected with us. Jakpreet sir is joining back within a while. We have reconnected with them. They are just trying to log in again. Yes, yes. We are back with Jakpreet sir. Sir, most welcome again, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Most welcome
Sorry,
again,
I
sir.
don't know what happened.
No, no, sir. It's
Thank
an
you. I don't know.
actually connectivity issue. Many times it happens. Don't worry. So you please try sharing the screen again.
Okay. Himanshu, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, can you please tell me from which screen I was not connected?
Uh, Actually, you are connected right now, and your screen is also visible.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. So I think this I have done. This
Yes,
was done, I suppose.
yes, yes. Yeah, this has done.
Okay. So I was here.
Yeah, myth and facts.
Now voice is clear, Himanshu?
Yes, sir. Voice clear. It is clear.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Sorry for the. So I was discussing that there are myth and the facts. Like myths are there ki at a certain age of a time, the diabetic and arthritis are a part of a growing old, and nothing can be done about it. But it is not true. A combined effect of an physiotherapist and a physician can give a very good result to these conditions. You might have been all matlab, those who are working or those who are professionals, they know कि arthritis can be treated up to a limit, and we can get a very good result for it. So it is not at all a myth. Now coming up to diabetic, being a physiotherapist, being a geriatric physiotherapist, you can design certain amount of a very good exercises to the diabetic patient so that they can move out of their sedentary lifestyle. होता क्या है कि when the patient is diabetic, he is having some other diseases like CKD or like other type of diseases, or and when we ask him to do the exercises, वो कहता है यार हो गया अभी नहीं करना, अभी उम्र हो गई है मेरी. But this sedentary lifestyle has to be taken out from their life. So you have to plan certain things, you have to plan or you have to design exercises so that it might be interesting to them and it is beneficial to them. Now, coming up to a geriatric physiotherapy was a part of a physical therapy from 1989. And since then, lot of physiotherapists are working and doing tremendous job in understanding the problem dealt with the aging. And we all know that a physiotherapist who is dealing with a geriatric problem can give a very good result and can make an individual independent to lead the life what they have been living for certain time. Now the topic is technology and physiotherapy. Let me connect to this story. Let us all connect to a story what I'll be telling now. Many of us, चाहे पढ़ाई के टाइम पे और while working, हम घर से बाहर आए थे. We move out from our city where we were living. We left our mother father behind, and now when suppose I'm taking my example, I was from a very small city in UP. I came to Bhopal. I studied here. I am settled down here. So back at my hometown, my mom is here. So many of us are here who have been dealing with this problem or who have came across. Now let us connect with the story. There is a very beautiful life cycle of a child and a parent. What happened? A child bring a bundle of happiness to the parent when he or she is born. Parents spend all their life for all the necessity for our children. हम कहते हैं ना हिंदी लैंग्वेज में, माँ बाप अपना कलेजा निकाल के भी रख देते हैं बच्चे के लिए. दे डू ऑल द थिंग्स फॉर द चाइल्ड एंड देयर अपब्रिंगिंग, फॉर देयर एजुकेशन, फॉर एवरीथिंग. एंड इन मिड सिटीज लाइक भोपाल, इंदौर और ऑल दी अदर मिड सिटीज, क्या होता है, पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को बहुत पढ़ा देते हैं. They want them to study hard. They want them to be on their own legs and do whatever they want to do. So they do a lot of things. Now, finally, the graduation day is here, and everyone, every parent, every child is waiting for that graduation life. And then when the graduation comes, child has to move and leave parents behind for the better opportunity. I'm true. I mean, those who can connect with it. Is it right? Indeed, it is right. Now, in the back of the mind, now the question comes ki, what is happening to the parents if they are living alone? It's a joint family, then it's fine. But what happens to the parents who are living alone? Who will be their issues? Who will be taking care of their health issues? This is very true, and this is a proven fact that all the social problems in the life can be easily handled, but a health problem is there which has to be taken care and has to be mentioned at a certain period of a time. Now the question comes, who is going to take care of the parents when they are alone at home from their child? Here comes where the Metri comes into play. The project I am owning, the project I am CEO of, the project which is very close to my heart, and how a physiotherapist of my team are doing work a step ahead than physiotherapy to make the parents much more independent. This is what my project is, Matri Parent Care. The tagline I have given is we care for the caregivers who have always been caring for us. It's now our time to give care to those caregivers. It is an attempt for the children to be worry free who is away from their parents to health issues they are having. It is just a project. It is just to facilitate them that there is someone who is behind you looking after your parents. What we are dealing with, what technology we are dealing, क्या होता है कि ओल्ड एज में आते आते व्हेन द पेशेंट इज अबाउट 60-65 years old, उनकी बहुत सारे मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड्स हो जाते हैं. उनके पास गैस्ट्रो के भी होते हैं, उनके पास हार्ट के भी होते हैं, उनके पास ऑर्थो के भी होते हैं, उनके पास सबके होते हैं. और होता है क्या है कि वो हैफाजार्डली उनके पास पड़े रहते हैं. जब किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाना होता है तो दे टेक आउट द पर्चा ओवर द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ओवर देयर एंड दे गो टू द डॉक्टर. बट व्हाट वी डू, we digitalize their all the medical records. We summarize them into the categories. If they have the ortho thing, they will be in the ortho thing. If they have the pathology record, they will be in the pathology record. So these all documents, what they have been in the past and their present document, we digitalize them and summarize them into a small folder. This folder is accessible to the parents, to the children's, and to the family doctor, as well as to me and my team. After this is a very good thing. How many of parents जो है उनको अगर बोलें कि हर हफ्ते आप अपना बीपी चेक कराया करो, या हर हफ्ते आके अपना ब्लड शुगर चेक कराया करो, या बॉडी वेट मेंटेन किया करो, चेक किया करो, या व्हाट आर द ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन यू हैव टू मेंटेन इट एवरी अ वीक, तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स नहीं आते हैं. व्हाट वी डू, we the qualified physiotherapist will go to their home, will do all the wellness checkups. This is a sort of a wellness checkup where we do 10 vital parameter checkups to the parents coming to their home every month, once in every month. This is a small wellness card of one of my patient, Mr. Nitin Dudani. And you can see there is a date wise mentioned here. What was the BP, what was the pulse, temperature, blood sugar, oxygen saturation, dietitian consultation if there, what was the progress of physiotherapy, what is the weight chart, any other advice. This is a small chart what we do. Now this chart is accessible to their children, to their family doctor, and to the my team, so that we have a note कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, what are the things they are gradually decreasing or increasing to their vital parameters every month. Now, wellness call is thing that I have included it कि every week फ्रॉम माई बैक हैंड टीम एक वेलनेस कॉल जाता है पेरेंट्स को, जो भी हमारे मेंबर्स होते हैं, पेरेंट्स होते हैं, उनको वेलनेस कॉल जाता है जस्ट टू नो देयर वेलनेस कि how are you, what are the things you going on, your medications are going properly, what are the physiotherapy you are doing, what are the home physiotherapy you have been given, are you doing that or not, just a wellness call. Now these are the two physiotherapists from my team. You can see they are doing physiotherapy at home and doing the wellness, taking BP and all. Dr. Amit and Dr. Vinay, these are two physiotherapists from my team. Medical supply and consultation. This is the part that is we have tie-ups with many of the medical shops who can supply the medicine. This is not a big deal. Now you can see family is a very important part for a geriatric person. You have to be very close to the parents, you have to be very close to the family when you are dealing with a geriatric care. This is what I am doing, taking one-on-one meeting alone and if they have any problem they want to discuss, they can discuss with me. Nobody else can hear apart from me. But problem, you have to build that trust. You have to tell them that we are here to take care of yours. So that trust is very important. That's why I'm saying the trust to the patient as well as to their family. That's very important. Now, this is now emergency services. We have a mobile app named as Metri Parent Care, which is running in Android phone, and we are soon coming into iOS and Apple also. What we are doing, बहुत सारे parents होते हैं, when there is an emergency, they will call someone, first someone will call some doctor, that doctor will send an ambulance, and this is the whole cycle. So the golden period जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that can be missed. So what we do, बहुत छोटा सा तरीका है, anyone from your family, anyone, the students who are out, they can ask your parents to do this. Speed dial 9 में उनका emergency number save कर दीजिए. Just save the speed or emergency number on the speed dial 9 and explain them कि whenever you are having an emergency, no need to rush, just dial 9. And with this thing, when parents dial 9, our backhand team तुरंत उसको receive करती है. Just उस my system circulate it and find it out कि इनका address कहाँ है. And with the paramedic team and a physiotherapist and a physician, we send an ambulance to their home. And if there is something that has to be taken care at home, we provide the first major safety there. And after that, we shift them to the hospital. Now, this is one of my patient. I'll not say patient. This is one of my parent, uh, Mrs. Rajni Sharma. This is a very beautiful story I'm telling you. She was alone at home. Although I'll just ask everyone not to take pictures. She is my patient, and I have taken consent from her. So please.